Calling you, calling you, calling you, with calling you, calling you, calling you.
Is it saying darling you?
Darling you.
Open it.
Okay.
Sing with it. Open it.
Calling you, calling you, calling you, calling you, calling.
Hot Cheetos and cheese is what he's eating. You can tell he's my nephew. Gabriel. Hey, look at me. You like them hot Cheetos? And that cheese? He just went and picked it up out my fridge. Hey, Gabriel. Tell him hi. Tell him hi. Say how you doing.
How you doing?
Say my name's Gabriel. What's your name? Gabriel.
Wait,
Your name Gabe?
what was it? Calling you.
Darling you. This is so sad.